Hi, I'm Chris from Pyrodigital, and in this video I would like to give you some information about the auto fire mode. In contrast to manual fire mode, in auto fire mode, the field controller runs fully automated scripts on an internal clock or synchronous to an external timecode. In order to access the auto fire operating mode, the safety key must be armed to fire position. If it is safe to proceed per all warnings and safety procedures outlined in the Phase 3 System Network User's Guide, the user may then turn the key to fire position. It is required that the user practices using auto fire operating mode in an inert test environment. Please read the section Practice and Inert Testing in the operating instructions of your FCA field controller for more information on inert testing and practice with test lamps. To enter the auto fire mode, you have to press auto fire and turn the key to the fire position. Please only do so if it is safe to do. Then the field controller calculates the fire table with the firing order and the timing. After the message disappeared, you can see your options on the display. Choose Internal to run your script on an internal clock. Or you can choose Internal plus FSK Master to also generate a PDFSK timecode signal to synchronize subsequent field controller. Or you can choose FSK Slave or SEMTI Slave to run your script on a synchronous external timecode. All of these options are also explained separately in another video, so you can watch that for more information. Thank you for watching. As always, you can find more information and videos on our website pyrodigital.com. See you next time. Bye!